Yes, family, we're right back. We have all fried off our roti, and while doing this, you want to keep it atop the stove, but be careful that with the paper towel that no burner or no breezes blowing to catch fire. Please be careful, but you'd want to keep it atop the stove to keep it warm while frying. Now this is the color you want it to have. You don't want it to have any darker color. I remember on a fried dumpling, right? So all fried off, and on top you're keeping warm. This is what it looks like. And I just showed you this one, but I never normally do it like this. I normally do them like this, triangle shape. So this is what it looks like on the inside, properly cooked and all of that. And it has these air pockets, so they are light. Now you can serve this with just about anything. You can serve this with some boneless curry chicken, stewed sausages. See, I have here some corned beef and onion rings that you can serve it with. You can serve it with stewed sausages, tinned mackerel, any meat of your choice, okay? So now, you just wanna, oh Lord, family may suffer. Each time my throat feel better, camera girl, give me some talking, I'm gonna go back at square one. So, nice supper, breakfast, mostly breakfast idea, and supper. Okay, so there you have it. Oh Lord. From my kitchen to yours. I'm sorry. To your plate, to your family table. It's fried roti. And you see what I'm serving it up with? You can serve it with just about anything. Now I want to show you something. You have it like this. So you put your look, even though my words, I don't know my fit make on the see. The eating. And please to comment, send some comments for camera girl in the comment section that you must stop give me talking, make my throat feel better, because the black cake baking will be coming up. I want you all to keep your notifications on, throat or no throat. Maybe me have to go do it and do a voiceover. My throat is like this. So you will have, look at this. So you can put your corned beef whatever on it. And you can have it just like this. It's nice, lovely. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, to your kitchen table, to your plate, to your stomach, to your family table, it's fried roti. Remember, keep your notifications on. You all realize that I can't do much talking, okay y'all? So, from my kitchen to yours again, enjoy. The cake, black cake, coming up. Keep your notifications on. Remember, I'm not sure no for roast no whole chicken in the oven and everything yet, you know. All of those will be coming up. Okay, you all? Love you.